If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says tag present in the Reparse point buffer is invalid, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that usually resolves the issue quickly. This error can stop files from syncing properly, and it can be frustrating when OneDrive refuses to open, upload, or update your files. The good news is that you can often fix it with a reset and a quick system scan. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run box. This is the fastest way to launch a command directly without digging through menus. Once the box appears, paste in this command exactly as shown: C:\program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. Make sure you type it carefully because even a small typo can prevent the reset from working correctly. After pasting the command, press Enter. Now, OneDrive may disappear for a moment, and that's normal. Give it about 2 minutes to fully reset in the background. Don't close anything or restart yet. Just wait patiently and let the process finish. After the 2 minutes are up, open the Start menu and launch OneDrive again. This step is important because the reset does not always relaunch the app automatically, so opening it manually helps bring everything back online. Once OneDrive opens again, test the file that was showing the error. Try opening it, syncing it, or accessing it the same way you normally would. In many cases, the reset alone will clear the problem and the file will work normally again. If that happens, great, you're done. But if the error still appears, don't worry, because there's one more fix you can try. Go back to the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. When it appears in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Running it as an administrator is important because the next command needs elevated permissions to check and repair system files properly. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes to continue. Inside the command prompt window, type this command: SFC/Scannow. This stands for System File Checker, and it scans your Windows installation for corrupted or missing files that might be causing OneDrive to behave incorrectly. Once the command is entered, press Enter and let the scan run until it finishes. Depending on your system, this can take a little while, so be patient and let it complete fully. When the scan is done, restart your PC. Restarting gives Windows a chance to apply any repairs and reload OneDrive with the updated system state. After your computer starts back up, open OneDrive again and check the file one more time. At this point, the error should be gone and your syncing should be working normally. So to recap, the first fix is to reset OneDrive, and if that doesn't solve it, run the System File Checker scan from an elevated command prompt and restart your computer. This combination fixes the error for many users and is a safe place to start before trying anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix the issue, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Windows and OneDrive tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.